welcome back to another video. This is a very exciting video for me. I'm like super like happy, like my emotions is like running all over the place, and I want to share the news that I have with y'all because I feel like y'all deserve to know. My hands are sweating. I'm like super, I'm not nervous, I'm just super excited. So anyways, today we're going to be doing an unboxing, but before we do an unboxing, I just want to say shout out to all my supporters, everybody that show love to me, my haters too, because it probably wouldn't have happened without the haters, I feel like. So shout out to y'all for always showing love and always commenting hate comments and everything under my videos, under my pictures. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to everybody that I collab with in the past on my videos, which is Charles and CJ on 32s, etc. Thank you guys. I just want to say thank you to everybody. Now let's get into this unboxing. I'm super excited, like I can't wait. But I just want to give thanks to everybody that did help me with the growth of my channel. So today in the mail I've received I have written my address and stuff off the bottom. My YouTube plaque, guys. Oh my god, I feel like crying. I'm so excited. I swear, like I remember the first time I hit 1,000 subscribers and I was thinking like, wow, I thought 1,000 subscribers was a lot, because I'm like, dang, like 1,000 people is literally watching me. And then like I'll see other channels and stuff like with more, like over 100K, and I just be like, dang, it's probably gonna take me like forever to get there. Like I'm thinking like several years, because when did I make my channel? I started my channel in 2016. Yeah, because that's when I had Kai. So 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 years. It took me 4 years. Did it take me 4 years, or did I hit 100K in December? No, I think I hit it January. This January, yep, 2020. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I had a bad dream last night that this was delivered and it was all cracked up, like everything was broke, and my heart was just like shattered. I was really upset in my dreams, really mad. My feelings was hurt. But anyways, I'm ready to open this up. Like now I'm super excited. Like, oh my god, y'all don't know the feeling until it actually happens to you. Like a lot of people die to have this 100K plaque. I know it may not seem like a lot to some of y'all, or the 1 million plaque might seem better, which it is, but this is like a start. Like I feel like now my next goal is 1 million. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like y'all don't understand how long I've been waiting on this. Let me make sure I'm opening this right. Which way do it come? Oh my god. Oh, here we go. Okay. Very excited, guys. Thank you guys so much, because it wouldn't have happened without y'all. So basically, hold on, it's like a little card. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, blah blah. Okay, thank you, Rick, for packaging my plaque up and making sure nothing happens to it. Oh my god, I want to cry. I have another note. It says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Wow. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created, including the haters. You're welcome. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you accomplished can't be taken away from you. It can't. Like, it's meant for me to have it. Thank you guys. I can't thank y'all enough, because I swear, like, if it wasn't for y'all, this would not be possible. Like, this is only the beginning. And we like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Oh, I care about you guys too. I promise my goal is to be really consistent with YouTube this year. I promise. Like, I feel like I just can't let y'all down. It's hard. Like, it's really hard, but I'm gonna do all I can and what I have to get there and just make this content for y'all. Okay, believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Dang, 1 million does seem so far. Oh my God. I'm super, super, super excited. Is something else in here? Basically, if y'all don't know, this is, let me see, can I show y'all? Basically, this is like all the plaques. Silver is 100K, gold is 1 million, and the diamond one is 10 million. But this is what my plaque look like, guys. It says, presented to Myrisha TV for passing 100,000 subscribers. Let's go, we did it. Let me see if I can show y'all, because my light's kind of bright. 100,000 subscribers. That is a lot. Like, oh my God, it's beautiful. Like, I don't even want to touch it and put no fingerprints on it. Like, oh my God, it's like a mirror. Like, I did it. I did it. Let's go. Myrisha gang. We did it. 100K. 100K. I'm super excited, y'all. I'm really, really happy. You know how you be smiling so much, the back of your like head, like behind your ears start hurting? Like, that's what's going on. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but I did want to share this with y'all and let y'all know that I did just receive my 100K plaque. And like the paper said, 1 million seemed like so far from now, but trust me, we will get there. No matter if it take 2 years, no matter if it take 5 years, it could be 10 years, but we will get there. The goal is to get that next plaque. But like I said, shout out to everybody that I collabed with in the past. It's been a long journey. I'm talking about everything on YouTube, from people talking down on me, people saying I'm this, people saying I'm that, people lying on me. Like, it's been a lot. If you know, you know. But anyways, I just want to say thank you to everybody. I love each and every one of y'all. I'm super excited. I keep saying that, but I really am. Like, I'm about to get ready to take a picture. Look at this. Like, you can see my reflection. Ooh, this is really good. I'm going to get ready to take a picture for Instagram. And, you know, let the people on Instagram know that I have my plaque. I just want to share it with everybody. I'm also going to stream on Twitch and show them, because, you know, it's like different. Every social media is a different audience. Not everybody on Twitch is on YouTube, and not everybody on Instagram is on Twitch or YouTube, and not everybody on YouTube is on my Instagram, if that makes sense. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Promise we're gonna have good content coming. Like, I have to. Look at this. I have to get the content out for y'all. Look what y'all did for me. Thank you guys so much. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Like I said, thank you again. This is only the beginning. I promise we won't stop right here. I don't know how to fix my hair. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you're super excited and you've been a day one and you've been on this journey with me since I remember when I hit 10K subscribers. And even then, that might seem like a lot to everybody, but thank you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for all the love and support. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We on the road to 1 million subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video.